I didn't think a light bulb could be exciting, but here we are. These YoChoice E12 rechargeable bulbs have been a game changer in my kitchen. Before we dive in, hit subscribe and the notification bell for more honest reviews. First off, they're battery operated, which is perfect for my kitchen. The 15 color options are such a vibe. Whether I'm setting up the mood for movie night or just spicing up my space, there's always the perfect shade. Plus, the dimming feature, total game changer for these cozy low light evenings. The included remote control is super convenient. I can control everything, brightness, color, and even the timer without getting up from the couch. Lazy goals achieved. And speaking of the timer, the 3 options are such a thoughtful touch. I love being able to set it and forget it. The rechargeable battery is surprisingly long lasting. I've gone several days without needing to juice these up, which is great because I'm all about low maintenance gadgets. Bottom line, if you're looking for versatile wireless lighting that brings the fun and functionality, this 2-pack is a solid pick. It's practical, stylish, and makes life just a little bit brighter. Literally. If you want to get your hands on this product, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. And hit that subscribe button and never miss a review.